Hi children, how are you all? I hope all you are fine. In that previous video, we discussed up to 1 to 10 questions, no ma. In this video, we are going to discuss the questions from 11 to 20. Okay, let us see here what they given in that 11th question and what they are asking. If 4, 7, 12 and so on represented a pattern, then the rule involved is, okay, see here, 4, 7, 12 and so on represented a pattern, then the rule involved is, okay, here they given that 4, 7, 12 and so on, this is one of the pattern they given, no, this is follows that one of the pattern, okay, 4, 7, 12 and so on, this one following that one of the pattern. What is that pattern we need to find out and come to that options. Here when you observe that all the options, here they given that n square plus 2, n square plus 4, n square plus 5, n square plus 3, which means here this one follows that a square pattern. Okay ma, here square numbers there, no, so depends on that. Here first you need to write that 4 how we can write as the square number plus some other number, square number plus some other number. Okay, how we can write that? See here 1 is a perfect square, 1 square plus 3, shall we write like this ma? 1 square plus 3 which is equals to 1 plus 3. Understood? And 7 is there. 7 we can write it as 2 square plus 3. Shall we write like this ma? 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Okay. Next 12 is there. 12 we can write it as 3 square plus 3. How we can write 3 square as 9. 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. Is it satisfying or not? Yes. 1 square plus 3, 2 square plus 3, 3 square plus 3 and so on. Okay, it is satisfying, no? Now here nth term is equal to, n is equal to n square plus 3. Nth term, n square plus 3. Okay, first term as 1 square plus 3, second term as 2 square plus 3, third term as 3 square plus 3 and so on. Nth term as n square plus 3. Understood? Finally, what rule it follows ma here? N square plus 3. Where it is? Here. Okay. Option D, n square plus 3. Okay. Yes. 12th question say that if 8, 16, 24 represents a pattern. Okay. Then the rule applicable. What rule we can apply here? Okay. See here ma. 8, 16, 24. 3 numbers they given. No, this one follows that one of the pattern. What is that? 8, 16, 24. How we can write? Just simply observe that children, the second number 16. 16 is a multiple of 8. Third number is 24. 24 is also a multiple of 8. So easily we can write this one as 8 ones 8. 8 to 16. 8 3s 24. Is it satisfying or not? Okay. As per this condition, what rule it follows ma here? Finally, it follows the rule as 8 into n, which is equals to 8n rule it follows. 8n rule it follows. Why? Because here n is equal to 1, 2, 3. Understood ma? If you will take that n is equal to 1, then you will get that 8. N is equal to 2, you will get it as 16. N is equal to 3, you will get it as 24. Understood? Then finally, what rule it satisfies ma? 8 into n, 8n. Okay, option A is correct. 13th one say that if 7, 9, 11 and so on represents a pattern, then the general rule in the nth term is, general rule in the nth term is, as per this condition, 7, 9, 11 and so on. Okay, now see here, 7, 9, 11 and so on. As per the options here, just observe that 2n plus something is there. In that all the options we are having that 2n plus something. Okay, here 6 is there, here 5 is there, 7 is there, 3 is there. Which one is satisfying? But the starting first term is 2n only, no? So that's why first you better to write this one as 2 into some multiple. Okay, plus something. See here, 2 2's 4 plus 3. Shall we write like this ma? 2 2's 4 plus 3. And come to this one, 2 3 6 plus 3. Shall we write like this? Next here, 2 4's 8 plus 3. Shall we write like this? Okay, plus 3 condition. Here it is satisfying ma. Option A, 2 into 1, 2 plus 6, which is equals to 8. But here the first term is 7. So not satisfying. Come to this one. Here again satisfies. 2 into 1, 2 ones, 2 plus 5, which is equals to 7. Okay. Next, 2 2s, 4 plus 5, 9, satisfying. Next, 2 3s, 6 plus 5, 11, satisfying. Okay, this is satisfying. And come to this one here, plus 3 condition also there. Okay, those two numbers also satisfying. Next, come to this one, 2n plus 7. Here, for example, 2 into 1 plus 7, which is equals to 9. But the first term is 7. Okay, as per this condition here, 2 into 1 plus 3. What you will have here? 2 1s, 2 plus 3, 5. But here 5 is not there, no. 5 condition is not there, no. So that's why here this condition is not satisfies, this condition not satisfies, we know that. Here only 2 possible conditions are there. What are those? If you will take here 2, then you will get that 7 as the first term. If you will take here 1, then you will get the first term as 1. Understand ma? So as per this condition, which one is correct here? First term only, no, the 7. That's why here which one is satisfying means 2n plus 5 is satisfying. Okay, how it will be means, see here, let n is equal to 1. Then here 2 into 1 plus 5 is equal to 7. N is equal to 2. 2 into 2 plus 5 is equals to 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. The second term is 9. Okay, next n is equal to 3. Then here 2 into 3 plus 5, which is equals to 6 plus 5, 11. Satisfying, no? Okay, as per this condition, which one is satisfying ma? 2n plus 5 or 2n plus 3? Which one is satisfying? 2n plus 5 is satisfying, and here 2n plus 3 is not satisfying. Okay. Why? Because the first I written that one means 2n plus 3 condition. 2n plus 3. What is the smallest number we are adding here? Plus 3 only, no? That's why first we need to check that plus 3. So that is not satisfying. Plus 3 after we are having that plus 5 only, no? 6 and 7 not satisfies. We know that. So 3 after here we are having that 5. Okay, after just we have to check that the option B. Then you will get the correct pattern as 2n plus 5. Finally, the pattern as 2n plus 5. Understood ma? Yes. Next, 14th question, say that if each matchbox contains 50 matchsticks, okay, one box contains how many matchsticks ma? 50 matchsticks. One box contains 50 matchsticks. The number of matchsticks requires to fill n such boxes. Okay, one box 50. 2 boxes, how many we are having? 2 into 50. Why? Because each box is having 50 matchsticks, no? So for that one box, 50 matchsticks. 2 boxes, 100 only, no? 250 is 100. 3 boxes, 3 into 50. 4 boxes, 4 into 50. Finally here, n such boxes they are asking. N boxes, which is equals to n into 50, which is nothing but equals to 50n. 50n. So, which option is satisfying ma? Option B, 50n is satisfying. Okay. Next, 15th one, see that. Amulya is X years age now. X years age now. 5 years ago her age was. 5 years ago means 5 years back. 5 years back, what is her age? At present her age is 10 years. What is her age before 5 years? That is 10 minus 5 is equal to 5 only, no? And 2 years ago, 10 minus 2. 3 years ago, 10 minus 3. 4 years ago, 10 minus 4. Which means here ago means back. Okay? Number of years before from now. Before from now. Now here say that present age of Amulya. Present age of Amulya. How many years ma? X years. Okay. 5 years ago, age of Amulya. 5 years ago. 5 years ago her age was, ago means before, already I told you, before from now. Okay, how many years before? 5 years. At present her age was x, and at present her age is x years. What was her age before 5 years means x minus 5 years. Understood, ma? So here which one is correct? X minus 5 years. 5 minus x naught. Why? Because her age is at present not 5 years. Okay, just the given that at present her age is x years. Before 5 years, what was her age? That's what they're asking here. Understood, ma? Yes, finally here the answer is x minus 5 years. Okay, yes. 16th question, see that. Which of the following represents? Simply they are asking 6 into x. What we are having here? 6x only, no? 6 into x, n into something. Okay. Simply the answer is 6x. 17th one. If x takes the value 2, then the value of, yes, simply they are given x plus 10. They given that x is equal to 2. Then here 2 plus 10 is equals to how much, ma? Simply substitution. 2 plus 10 is equal to 12. Okay. Yes. Next, the perimeter of the triangle shown in the figure. Perimeter of the triangles. Perimeter of a triangle formula. What is that, ma? Perimeter of a triangle formula. Sum of all the sides only, na? Sum of all the sides. Sum of all the sides. Here perimeter of the given triangle. So what is the length of that first side, ma? Here x. Second side is x. Third side is y. Finally here x plus x. We can add that only similar terms, no? So x plus x. Those two are like terms. X plus x is equal to 1x plus 1x is equal to 2x plus y. Y is unlike term to x, no? That's why here just we can write it as 2x plus y. Okay, we should not write it as 2xy. Okay, this is 2x plus y. Y we are adding to 2x. Understood, ma? Yes. Then here which one is correct? 2x plus y. Okay, yes. And 19th question, see that the area of a square having each side as x. Square is there, no? In a square, each side as x centimeters or x meters. Then here what is that? Area of a square formula. Area of a square is equal to side square only, no? Side square. So side is equals to what they given here? X square, which is equal to x square. Okay, ma? Then here which one satisfies here? X into x. X into x is equal to x square. Okay, area of a square. For example, they will ask that perimeter of a square means 4 into side. That is 4x. But they're asking here area of a square. No, area of a square is side square. Okay, ma? Which is equals to x into x. Okay, yes. And 20th question. This is the last question from that worksheet 1. Okay, see here. The expression obtained when x is multiplied by 2. When x is multiplied by 2 and then subtracted from 3. Okay, see here. Expression obtained when x is multiplied by 2. X is multiplied by 2. Then how we can write x multiplied by 2? Then we will get this one as a 2x. Okay, now here subtracted from 3, which means now here 2x subtracted from 3, which means here from 3 we need to subtract 2x. Then how we can write 3 minus 2x? Understood, ma? Then here which one is correct? 3 minus 2x. Option C is correct. Okay, children, in this video left over 11 to 20 questions we discussed in NOMA. In that next video, we will discuss that test yourself questions there. So, those questions we will discuss. Okay, thank you all.